Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to FTL. My name is Spencer and today we're taking a look at this Panasonic worldwide VHS player and recorder. The model number of it is AG-W1. If you're looking for something that just looks absolutely spectacular and just really expensive, this is the one to get. Or if you have tapes from another region that you really need to play back, because most VCRs will not play back tapes from another country or from another region for that matter. So this one will play just about any VHS in the world as long as it is a playable tape. It will fit any region on here and it will play it back through the composite output. But let's go ahead and take a look at this. On the rear panel of it, you've got a audio video line input right here, and then you've got two line outputs right here. They're both composite with analog audio. And then right here you can adjust the playback type. You've got auto 1 and 2. Then you've also got NTSC, PAL, SECAM, MPAL, NPAL, ME, SECAM. And then down here you've got these other adjustments for LP, EP, SLP, and then SP, SP, and LP for PAL, NPAL, SECAM, ME, SECAM, and NTSC and PAL over here. And this was made in Japan and it is for commercial use only. And something else that's nice about this is right here you can see it's actually got two grounds for the power cord. So you're gonna have a higher quality power cord. That's a good sign. That means that this is gonna be something really unique and high quality. And then you also do have a voltage selector. That's so that you can use this in whatever country you're in, no matter what voltage they use. You've got a map of the entire world, basically telling you that this will play every format that there is. And then you can open this door, and when you do that, it gives you access to all these options. And real quick, this is the original remote control for it. And if you're wondering, this bottom area does not open. There aren't too many buttons on the remote. Most of the buttons are on the front panel right here. And I'll show those to you real quick. So right here you've got a power button. Then you can connect some headphones right there. You can adjust the output level of the phone's jack. You can adjust the picture sharpness and softness. I'll show you that on the TV once we put a tape in. Then right here you can use the edit option, recording SP and LP, input selection, front or back, and then the TV system selection. And then you've got a line input for recording. And then right here you've got your normal play and record options. And then you can adjust the audio output selection. And then you've got memory and reset. Then you've got all these options for the tape format. And then you've got this nice big display, which we'll take a look at how that looks with the tape in it. And you have to hold it down for fast forward, or you can use stop and then fast forward. And you can see the audio meters right there. And then we'll get this connected to the TV and show you the playback and all the display options. Getting it connected is really easy. All you have to do is match up the red, white, and yellow cable and connect it to one of the outputs on the back.
You fired 3 rounds.
Now it's connected to the TV and you can see the VHS playing. So right here you can adjust the picture, the sharpness and the softness. You know, probably want to keep it as sharp as possible generally.
Come on, just making a point.
With the remote control, you can power it on and off with the operation button. Then you can start recording, playing, stop, fast forward, or rewind. And then you've got slow. You can have it play slowly, frame by frame. And then if you push pause, you can control the frame by frame. You can do it one frame at a time just by pushing it. That's pretty much all the basics of this Panasonic worldwide VCR. And with the wooden panels on the side of this thing will look beautiful in any entertainment center. And if you're looking to get one of these, make sure you get it from us at forthelow.net, and you can call to order or get it online. Thanks for watching.